Have you ever spent 20 minutes scrolling through Netflix just to give up and go to sleep? Or bought something on sale that you never used only to ask yourself later, why did I buy this? Every outcome in your life is the compounding result of the decisions you make. Strong decision-making skills lead to success in every area, from your career and finances to the quality of your relationships and health. Yet, many people struggle with weak decision-making ability. They hesitate to take action, and even after making a choice, they constantly second-guess themselves. In this video, we're sharing simple, practical tips to sharpen your decision-making and help you take control. Before we jump into the tips, you need to understand that every time you make a choice, big or small, you drain a slice of your mental energy. Your goal isn't to think harder about every decision. Your goal is to automate the small choices so you have peak brain power for the big ones. Here are simple, practical tips to improve decision-making. First, lower the stakes with Rule 10. When you're facing a tough choice with emotions like fear, anxiety, or immediate gratification can blindside you. Whenever you feel stuck, ask yourself, how will I feel about this choice in 10 minutes? How will I feel about it in 10 months? How will I feel about it in 10 years? Imagine you're nervous about speaking up in a team meeting or asking for a promotion. In 10 minutes, you might feel anxious or awkward. In 10 months, the awkwardness is completely forgotten. In 10 years, taking that bold step might have completely altered your career path for the better. This rule helps you distinguish between short-term discomfort and long-term value. Second, beat overthinking with the 2-minute rule. Overthinking creates friction, and friction leads to paralysis. If a decision takes less than 2 minutes to execute, do it immediately. Replying to a simple email, do it now. Choosing between 2 outfits for a casual outing, pick one in under 10 seconds. Deciding whether to take out the trash or do the dishes, just do it. By handling micro decisions instantly, you clear mental clutter and momentum builds naturally. Third, avoid the choice overload. Trap. More options sound great in theory, but in practice, too many choices lead to hesitation and regret. When shopping, pick your top 3 choices immediately and eliminate the rest. Simplify breakfast, workout schedules, or daily outfits to preserve brain power. Fourth, set decision deadlines. Work expands to fill the time allotted for its completion. The same applies to making decisions. If you give yourself a month to pick a new car, you will waste a month worrying about it. Give yourself strict deadlines. Small decisions, give yourself 2 minutes. Medium decisions, give yourself 24 hours. Major life choices, give yourself 7 to 14 days maximum. Once the clock hits 0, commit to the best option available. Fifth, perform a post-decision review. Decision-making is a skill, which means you can get better at it with practice and feedback. Keep a simple decision. Journal for your major choices. Write down what you decided, why you decided it, how you were feeling at the time. Review it later. You will quickly spot your personal blind spots, like being overly optimistic, ignoring financial risks, or rushing choices under pressure. Better decision-making isn't about never making a mistake. It's about building a framework that protects you from fatigue, emotional impulse, and analysis paralysis. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more practical guides on mindset.